Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Hope you guys are doing great. And if this is your first time here, welcome. On my channel, I talk about how to buy cool tech and save money. If this is what you're here for, stay tuned. As promised on my last video, I'll be talking about another pair of Bluetooth earbuds. They're budget friendly, so let's get started and talk about the Purity Bluetooth earbuds. So this is the earbuds we'll be talking about, and the first thing I want to talk about is price. And as always, when it comes to budget friendly tech and budget earbuds, everyone has a different price point, and the price point on these is $30.99, so let's just round it to $30. In my case, I think that's a very good starting price for budget friendly earbuds. So the first thing that caught my eye about these earbuds was the price, and the second thing was the small form factor of the charging case and the earbud holder. And that is so convenient for me because I can just throw it in my jeans pocket, I can throw it in my coat and go along with my day. So convenience was a number two for earbuds, and especially having them to be $30, the small form factor is great. So one important thing about these earbuds, as soon as you get them, go inside the box, find this piece of paper and follow the instructions to activate your warranty, because you only have 14 days from the day you get it or the day you buy it to activate it, because otherwise you won't have that 1-year warranty. So that is very important, just in case something breaks or there's a malfunction in the earbuds, which shouldn't happen, but just in case, make sure you activate that warranty so you have it. So let's talk about some of the features of these earbuds. First thing that comes to mind is comfort. When you're buying earbuds, you want to make sure they're comfortable. So for earbuds as they go, I gotta say they're pretty comfortable. Let me just put them in. So if you want to take a look, as you can tell, they're not sticking out too much or not too big. So they're very compact in size, which is a good thing. You don't want humongous earbuds just on your ear, just sticking out. Personally, I don't want to have humongous earbuds just sticking out of my ears. So in comfort's point of view, they're pretty comfortable, they're pretty light, they're not that heavy. So when it comes to comfort, I give this a 10 out of 10, especially for the price budget. If you guys are enjoying this review and you love budget tech as much as I do, smash that subscribe button down below to support me and hit that like button. But for now, let's get back to the earbuds. So another cool feature of these earbuds, they have a microphone on there, so you can actually talk on the phone and talk to Siri or Google. So that is one plus of these earbuds. The one con of these earbuds so far that I've noticed is that you can't actually control the volume button. You can't control the volume of your music or anything else, but you can actually, if you double tap it 3 times on the multifunction button, and it's actually a touch button, there's actually no physical buttons, you can activate Siri or Google, and you can actually tell it to turn down the volume or increase the volume or call somebody. So that is a plus, and I guess people are moving away from the physical buttons and using the voice assistant. So in that scenario, the buttons have been substituted by the voice assistant, where you can tell it to increase the volume and you can tell to call somebody and so on. So as most earbuds, you can skip songs, pause them using these buttons on the sides of the earbuds. And a plus of these earbuds, you don't have to have both of them in to listen to music. You can actually listen to just one of them, and it doesn't drain your battery the same way as 2. So you can actually double your usage using just one earbud. So using 2 earbuds, you can get 4 hours of playtime. And if you used one, you can get 8 hours of playtime. And most people that I've noticed at work, they usually wear one so they can hear other people talking to them with their other ear. Plus, you also have the charging case. The charging case charges your buds about 4 times. So that means you can get 14 hours of playtime from the charging case. So if you were just to use one earbud and use the whole charging case, you can get 28 hours of just one earbud of playtime. So that could last you weeks. That is so much playtime. Unless you're listening to music every minute of every day, you will only have to worry about charging this case and the earbuds once a week. And the charge time on these earbuds is just 2 hours. And that is including the case. Once you put it in the case, 2 hours and you're done and you're ready to go. So one other nifty thing about these earbuds, they're IPX5 certified, which means you can sweat in them. Don't go shower in them, that's not okay. But you can sweat in them, you can go to the gym and so on. Another thing about these earbuds is that you don't actually have to press the button, turn it on. As soon as you take them out of the pod and put it into your ear, they will turn on and you'll get a lovely lady voice saying earbuds are on. and as soon as you put it back into the case, they turn off, or you can manually turn it off using the touch buttons on the earbuds. So in that form factor, I think that's great. You never have to worry about, did you turn it on, did you turn it off? As soon as you put it in and take it out, it's on and it's off, and so that is just a very convenient thing in my opinion. Also, when it comes to charging the case, you just use a simple micro USB cord in the back, and you have 4 LEDs in the back, which indicates from 0 to 100% of the whole charging case in the earbuds. And each indicator shows 0, 25, 50, 75, and 100%. And so it's very simple to tell how much charge you have on your earbuds and estimate, can it last you through the day, can it last you through the week, and so on based on your usage. That I gave this earbud to, they're loving it. They've had it for almost 2 months. They like the fact that this can do up to 14 hours of playback time with the case using both earbuds. They charge it maybe once a week. They love the sound, they like the quality, they even like the price point. The fact that once again it's just $30, it's just a budget friendly earbuds, and they're great. So if you want to buy them or buy them for somebody else, I truly recommend. They have great quality. And if you have any more questions about these earbuds or something that you can't find online or something that I didn't cover, make sure to comment down below and I'll definitely get back to you and answer and let you know how it is. And I've personally listened to these earbuds myself and I like the quality of the sound. So if you're in the market for Bluetooth earbuds, make sure to also check out this review that I did on another pair of earbuds. They are not completely wireless, but I personally like them better because they have an earpiece to hold on, so if you're going to work out or anything else, it's more convenient, I think. And thank you guys for watching, and don't go away and stay tuned for more because I'll be back with more tech.